Innovation for waste minimization.
This video demonstrates the clean to recycle process when using the BECCA Little Squirt paint gun cleaner. It uses heated water and BECCA water wave additive with microfilm protection. The process virtually eliminates the creation of a waterborne liquid waste stream, which requires a documented waste disposal process. The heart of the optional system is the Little Squirt paint gun cleaner, BECCA water wave additive, and heated water. Two different waste streams are created during our gun cleaning process. The first stream is the actual cleaning solution used in the cleaning the paint gun. It is collected in a 3-gallon basin of the cleaning station. When full, it is dumped into the clarification container for later treatment. BECCA's offline clarification process recycles the dirty solution into a clear fluid that can be reused over and over. Here's how it works. Once the container is full of dirty solution, BECCA clarification powder and tea bags that melt in water are put in the fluid. It is then agitated for about 30 minutes with a bubbler. The resulting clarified liquid is then poured through a dual filters, and the clarified solution drains into the storage container, and that fluid is now ready to be reused. When it dries out, the sludge which contains the paint solids and the flocculant can be disposed as a solid waste. This entire procedure can be seen on our waterborne clarification recycling process video. The second waste stream is the paint left over in the cup and gun. This waste paint is dumped into the BECCA H2O dry container for later treatment. The first rinse of the cup and gun, which is made up of cleaning solution, is heavy with paint waste and also dumped into the container. When the waste paint container reaches the 2.5-gallon level, it is time to solidify it so that it can be discarded as solid waste. To make it into a disposable solid, we sprinkle 2 8-ounce bottles of H2O dry into the liquid while stirring it. The result is a disposable liner containing the solidified waste. You can see a real-time video of the process at our website. Just click on Dry Out Waterborne Waste. BECCA recommends that the dried paint waste and the dry flocculant and paint solids be tested by an environmental lab and the report be kept on permanent file.
Innovation for waste minimization.